Reported speech transforms direct quotes into indirect speech. When someone speaks, we change tenses, pronouns, and time expressions to report what they said. This is essential for conversations and storytelling. Direct speech uses quotation marks with exact words spoken. She said, quote, "I love ice cream," close quote. Indirect speech removes quotes and changes the structure. She said she loved ice cream. The key difference is exact words versus rephrased meaning. Tenses move one step back in reported speech. Simple present becomes simple past. I like tea becomes she said she liked tea, will becomes would, I will call becomes he said he would call. This backshift shows the speech happened earlier. Modal verbs also change in reported speech. Can becomes could. I can help you becomes he said he could help me. May becomes might. I may join the party becomes she said she might join the party. These changes maintain proper tense sequence. Will always changes to would in reported speech. I will call you becomes she said she would call me. Must usually becomes had to. You must study becomes he said I had to study. Modal changes follow the same backshift pattern as main verbs. Time words shift perspective in reported speech. Today becomes that day. Tomorrow becomes the next day. Now becomes then. Here becomes there. This becomes that. These time expression changes show when the reporting happens relative to the original speech. Pronouns change based on who is speaking and reporting. I or me becomes he or she. I am tired becomes he said he was tired. You becomes I or me. You are smart becomes she said I was smart. Pronouns adjust to the new speaker perspective. Here's a complete example combining all changes. Direct speech. Quote, I'm seeing my brother tomorrow, close quote, she said. Reported speech. She said she was seeing her brother the next day. Notice tense change, time expression change, and pronoun adjustment all together. Another complete transformation. Direct speech. Quote, I can meet you here now, close quote, he said. Reported speech. He said he could meet me there then. Modal can to could, here to there, now to then, and you to me all change correctly. Remember these key reported speech rules. Tenses backshift. Present to past, will to would, can to could. Words change, now to then, today to that day, here to there, I to he or she. Practice these patterns for perfect reported speech.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.